In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create viral Sora 2 AI videos. Arguing Cat and Dog Prompt Guide. To get started, open your browser and head to Google. This is the easiest way to find the official Sora page quickly, especially if you don't have it bookmarked. A clean search ensures you land on the right site without chasing links. In the search bar, type the single word Sora. Keep it simple. As results load, look for the official Sora website associated with ChatGPT. If you see sponsored links or unrelated pages, skip those and choose the trusted result. This helps you avoid redirects and gets you into the creative workspace faster. Click through to the Sora website. Once it loads, you'll be on the Explore or Creation page where prompts drive the entire video generation process. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout. You're looking for the prompt field and the button you'll use to create your video. Now it's time to write your prompt. Clear, vivid language makes all the difference. For this tutorial, use this exact prompt to get that viral, funny pet dynamic. A cozy comedy moment where a lady interrogates her cat and dog about a broken glass, only for the cat to dramatically point at the guilty, shrinking dog as warm lighting and zoom-ins amplify the hilarity. This prompt works because it defines the scene, the characters, the action, the mood, and even the camera behavior. Notice how it mentions warm lighting and zoom-ins. Those details give Sora strong direction and help create a polished comedic feel. If you ever tweak prompts, think in terms of setting, emotion, motion, and cinematography. Paste the prompt into the field, then click Create Video. After you hit Create, give Sora a moment to process and render. Generation time can vary based on demand and complexity, so patience here pays off. When the video appears, watch it all the way through to see how the timing, facial expressions, and camera moves deliver the joke. If you want punchier comedy in future runs, consider intensifiers like snappy timing, mockumentary-style zoom, or exaggerated reaction, but keep the core idea the same for consistency. Small wording changes can shift tone significantly, so adjust with intention. And that's it. You've just built a shareable, comedic Sora video using a strong, specific prompt. With this workflow, you can quickly test variations and capture that viral pet argument charm people love. Keep your prompts descriptive, keep your scenes tight, and let Sora handle the cinematic magic.